Okay, starting with the new cabinet to the left of the fridge. This represents the side of the fridge. Replacing the base cabinet with a face frame style cabinet to match the existing, and the doors. The glass cabinet above, and then two floating shelves. These are 9 inches deep and 2 inches thick. And for the island, it's a little bit wider. I believe your countertop is 72. This would be about 78, and I had to make it a little bit wider so both of these spice pullouts are wide enough. 36-inch cooktop with 2 drawers below the triangle cabinet. And on the back of the island we have 3 drawers, or we could switch those to a total of 4, 2 per cabinet. But the island would be a Euro style cabinet, not a face frame like the existing kitchen is. So if I have it right as far as what you were thinking, I can add the other work to it, that being right here, and then also those floating shelves where the current wine storage is. But let me know if I've got this right, and we'll take it from there. Thank you.